that's pretty.
That's a pretty. Look at all that glitter. I want to go. Oh! Right here.
Ooh, look at there. Ooh, check it out. It's like the world.
Oh, that's what.
If you haven't seen that video, check it out. Blah. Today we're making a giant slime smoothie. Check it out. So stick around. We gotta make some room. All right, let's clear this table off. Oh, that's a lot better. Now we need some slime. First thing is our giant jelly cube slime. You're just taking the sponges.
I don't want to get my hands really dirty. That's why. I think that would be enough. I think we have enough.
Go.
This one has some glitter on the bottom. Stuck down there.
Flip it up.
It's gonna dump.
That one's pretty runny.
Me.
Mm.
Yeah. It's like toothpaste.
And it's like water.
Like a little slime waterfall.
Yep.
Okay, Madison, you want to put yours in? What do you got? You got a green one. Ooh, that one's kind of dry.
Kind of dry, and I think it was clay slime.
Yeah, that looks like that was a clay slime there.
This one's candy. How did I do that?
Make it crunch. Make it crunch.
Use your hand.
Try pulling
There you
it
go.
out. Ew! Almost got in my face.
Going everywhere. What is this one? This is like slushy slime.
It looks kind of gross. Like the way it looks as it's tied down is. Ooh, the bottom.
What video is that from? Do you remember?
Confetti pop.
That's from
The
our.
balloon one.
That's right. That's from when we did our giant balloon slime and we popped balloons. If you haven't seen that video, be sure and go check that one out.
Oh my gosh, it's like.
Go ahead and add yours in. So what's this one from?
This one's from the pink one.
That's right. That's from the prank video. That's from where we did slime pranks. And if you haven't seen that, check it out.
Use your hands, Cameron. I don't want to.
It was ABC chewing gum. That's right.
But now it's home.
You gotta pull it out. You gotta pull it out.
I don't like doing
You don't want to pull it out. Let me pull it out. You stinker. Ooh, look at that. Look how cool looking that is.
I feel. I'm gonna put it in.
Okay, you put it in. My turn. What is this one?
Maybe one.
Yep.
Ew.
So this is actually from our other channel, Camtastic Hacks.
So hard.
I know. This is clear jelly cube slime. Which if you haven't seen those videos, what that is, those are magic erasers cut into little cubes and then put in clear slime.
It's like yellow.
Madison, you want to put that one in? What is that?
butter slime?
Butter slime. Butter slime. If you haven't seen the butter slime video, why haven't you seen that video? Because that video has like 80 million views on it. And we still have butter slime.
From that.
I'm putting these in
Okay.
and this one in.
Okay, alright, well hold on.
Seems heavy.
I feel like I've been skipped. Yes.
Let me help get that last little bit out.
Okay, it's my turn.
Okay, Riley, what do you have?
I'm good. This one. It's the balloon one again, but it feels runnier.
That's from the balloon popping one again?
Yeah. This one was runnier feeling.
Ooh. Okay, it's time to fold some slime. We gotta fold some.
Hey!
You wanna put that one in? Okay, go ahead and put that one in.
Jiggly slime is so runny.
Then this.
That's probably an Instagram slime.
Yeah.
Let's fold it. Fold it in.
Ooh, this is pretty. I like the way that the butter slime just got.
What do you have there, Madison?
Ew!
That's from our icy slime video.
I do not want to get rid of this.
So you're just gonna put it in there a little bit at a time? Does that make it easier? If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Where this was made using instant snow.
Smell it.
Look at that weird texture.
Oh, yucky slime.
Oh, what is that? That's from this is from a Kimtastic Hacks video too.
Hey, I want to do it.
This is mixing everything into my slime.
It looks like an iPad shape. With no.
This has everything. Look at this. This has Fruit Loops, rubber bands, styrofoam, glitter, fishbowl beads.
Hey, I want to do it.
Okay, dump it in. This is from our 100 pounds of glitter slime.
Ew, it looks like that poop.
Glittery. Oh! Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, it's just so stiff because of glitter. Ooh, that is.
I'm gonna put it in this one.
So that's another jelly cube one.
It's small cubes.
That's small cubes.
You made it small
Let's
cube. It looks like a
Candy gun.
Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it looks like a bouncy ball. Show your bouncy ball you made.
I'm getting too slimy.
Yeah.
All right, Madison, what do you have? Ooh, you know what that is? This is the where we melted a.
Styrofoam cup.
That's right, a styrofoam cup using 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. It feels cold. Feels like there's ice in there. What is that? No, slime. That's just butter slime, huh? All right, go ahead and add it. My turn.
That smells so bad.
That is a.
Ooh.
What are you smelling it?
It
That's a-
matches Tyler's shirt.
It sure does. Blue butter slime.
Look at it. That kind of looks weird.
I know. It's probably been sitting. This is an old slime right here. What is that? That's another one of the pink icy slimes from our icy slime video. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please hit that like button, smash it for us, and also be sure to subscribe so that you never miss a Will It slime video. Smash it! Smash it! And when you do subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you know every time a new video comes out. Ooh, look at that one.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
pretty, but it's running.
Look how pretty.
Show that one to everybody.
Ooh.
Pour it in.
Looks like lipstick melted.
It does.
Touch it. Ooh, that's very runny. I want to touch it.
Touch it. Touch it.
Ew. Oh no, she's making a...
Oh no, you better get that hand out of there.
It was red a second ago.
And then it turned to yellow and orange. Ooh, I want to do this slime.
See if it changes now.
What do you have?
Is it running?
Clear slime.
Touch me.
Oh, is that clear slime or clear glue?
Ew, it's glue.
Or was that a trick? Did mommy set somebody up and put a container up? You got tricked, Madison. Ooh, check that out. We're making a smoothie into a smoothie. This was from Kimtastic Hacks where she made a smoothie. Man, that's full of beads.
Bling,
And we're putting it into our smoothie now.
Actually, it's the crunchy one.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh. Yeah,
Looks like a piece of plastic. Yeah.
I've got this blue one that I'm wiping my hand off for a second with.
Get rid of all those icy slimes.
And
Look at
now
that.
for my turn. I don't care whose turn it is. I'm just putting slime in.
You don't care. She doesn't care whose turn it is. She's just putting slime
I'm putting
in.
this
What
slime.
slime is that? What slime is it?
I'm putting this slime.
It's icy slime. What do you have there, Madison? Ugh. A clear one.
Ooh, glittery and glittery. Look at all this glitter on the bottom of this one.
No.
You ready to dump it?
I'm fine.
Come on.
Ooh. Look at all that glitter.
Ooh.
Look at those
Disco
big
ball
disco
slime.
balls in there. Way to get into it, Madison.
Oh, that's pretty. Why is this on me?
I'm gonna put the bubble gum in.
A surprise one.
What is that?
A very nasty Mars looking one.
Punch it.
Ow.
Oh, clench the.
Oh, it is so.
Go ahead, put the bubble. No, what is that? That's
Looks like
blue.
bubble gum.
That's
I
blue
want-
butter. Put that blue butter slime. Put that blue butter slime in there.
It won't come on. It won't go because of its dry.
It's hard on top.
Like mixed Play-Doh.
And I feel.
Ooh, look at there. Ooh, check it out. It's like the world.
I got the whole world in my hands.
Is that what that was? Ooh, look at that one.
Ew, it's jiggly.
Jiggly. That we put in
Like
here.
poop.
Everything looks like that to you.
Dead poop. Guys,
Disgusting.
Honey, I don't care.
Riley, what do you have?
That surprise.
I have another giant surprise. Green slime.
Imagine that.
Imagine one ship and wash it.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's a pretty slime.
Is that some more of our 100-pound glitter slime? Ooh, look at all that glitter on the bottom of that.
Wowie, wowie, pretty.
Ooh, what is that? Another jelly cube.
Can I touch it? Thank you.
Okay. What is this one from? This is from our giant slime in a bag.
Oh, that's what.
If you haven't seen that video, check it out.
I can't get out.
Yep.
Kind of blended in.
I got it.
I want to go.
The disappearing child. Look at this one. This one's dried. Look at that. Look how fluffy that. Fluffy that one is. Man, I feel bad for whoever's got to clean this up behind us.
You.
Oh, is it me?
Yes.
Can you chandelier? You want some colors on you?
All right. Can we get a little bit of activator?
Yep.
I don't think that's gonna be enough. Guys, don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at WillitSlime. Ooh, look at that.
Uh-oh.
It's a 100-pound smoothie.
Yeah, it's smoothie, so.
Here it is. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
This is by far our biggest slime smoothie ever. This thing is huge.